Are you still down? Raise them up. Are you still down? Raise them up. Are you still down? Raise them up. Now I'm up in the zone. I wasn't raised to be strong. My mama told me to be a thug the day I was born. Came out the gutter, never changed my style. Got real about my papers cause the game was wild. And the fame and the plot tried to change me. What's strange, nobody know my name for a game beat. Now the whole world's calling me a killer. All I ever did is try to get the hit the kids with the rilla. And all the time I was ballin', never hear my friends calling. Couldn't set myself for falling. All in shit is getting sleazy, believe me. Best take what you need, but don't be greedy. Cause in my mind, see sunshine, I thought didn't have to run. Now I'm ducking from the gun, yellow one time. Take your time to feel my record. And if you did, chill for a second. My blind method will wreck it. My young homies stay strong. I wonder if they listen to a nigga when he's gone. Are you still down? Raise them up. 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 I'm getting high so a nigga think he touched the sky. Turned off inside, the rush to die. Living life as a dark time to face the truth. What's going on with the waste of you? Please God come and save me. Had to work what you ever gave me. I got a nigga going crazy. Can't read the signs, I'm blind, but a nigga know he needs 9. Cause the time they ain't what it used to be. Ain't no penitentiary built big enough for me and my niggas on the street. Man listen, cause these ain't the old days. Ain't no way I'm busting my ass and getting no pain. See, can't fight or focus. Always ain't paranoid. I see the future and it's hopeless. Lord knows it's hard on a young scrub. It seemed to have less problems when I was slunging drugs. But since I'm trying to lace niggas with the game, wanna see me locked up and chained, try to dirty up my name. And the same motherfucker was calling me will to be the first, turn the back when I'm falling asleep. Shoulda haven't seen it from the jump, but it's clear. One nigga got us down in fear. Are you still down? Raise them up. Are you still down? Are you still down? Raise them up. Are you still down? Are you still down? Raise them up. Raise them up. Are you still down? Raise them up. Raise them up. Raise them up. Are you still down? Are you still down? Raise them up. Are you still down? Are you still down? Young C. I wrote this for my critics and my enemies. Last year you used to love me, huh? Remember me? Now you hate me with a passion. Try to got me stuck in this mix, staying sharp. Got the time for these tricks. Now they wonder if I'm going to jail just as well. Cause my life on the streets a living hell. Can't sell, can't sleep. They got my phone tapped. Mercy, Lord, come and get me before they hurt me. Run out of tears. Through the years I couldn't change. My daddy left me alone, so I'm angry. Young Sicilian, fight the power. The Sicilian clan, Gemini, C-Turk, Turk 182, G-Stash, killer music, yeah. Rest in peace my nigga, one of the realest, Tupac, huh? Thug life motherfuckers, still thug life in this bitch, huh? Can't kill me, after me my nigga Rafa, huh?